Humanity has benefited from many sciences and technologies throughout its history. One of the most well-known of these paths is mathematics. What is mathematics and what does it do? How was mathematics born and emerged? Here are all the details that are curious. Mathematics is a branch of science that enters our lives with numbers before we even begin to learn to read and accompanies us throughout our lives. Some people have a better connection to mathematics, while in others this connection has become a prejudice against mathematics. But mathematics is such an impressive field that if human history has reached its form today, mathematics is among the biggest reasons for this. Because mathematics is in every aspect of life. What is mathematics and what does it do? The transformation of abstract concepts in the human mind into a concrete state is called mathematics. So mathematics is the symbolic language of the mind. Mathematics, nature, earth, science, etc. The symbols produced to understand the subjects are a whole. With these symbols, we can get equations and formulas. We can also embody abstract concepts through formulas and equations. It is possible to find a trace of mathematics in everything that a human hand touches. So much so that the cars we ride, the mobile phones we use, computers, phones, songs and music, calculators, buildings, roads, many other things that we cannot finish by counting are a product of mathematical science. In short, mathematics is a basic concept that simplifies complex structures. Math is actually a tool, not a goal. It allows us to recognize the world and the universe in every area and turn it into a simple language. In other words, it is not a science that trades only with counting numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it is taught in people in this way, especially today, many people turn away from mathematics and say, "What good is mathematics for me?" Says. If it can be passed on to people that mathematics is actually a tool, and it can be explained that its main function is to simplify complex structures, the biases against mathematics will disappear completely, and the importance of mathematics can be understood much more. How was mathematics born and emerged? History of mathematical science. The history of mathematical science dates back to very ancient times. It has constantly developed and progressed until it becomes what it is today. In 3000, it is possible to find the first examples in advanced civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Sumer, Assyria, and ancient Egypt. Mathematics has become a mandatory need in order to understand trade, astronomy and natural events and to facilitate human life in these areas. Mathematics in those periods, of course, does not come across in its current form. It has a simpler and easier to understand state. He made very rapid advances, especially thanks to the scientists who grew up in Plato's Academy in Alexandria.